Whoa! I want to sing. I know. Can we blow the candles now? Huh?
Well, no, we're watching the fireworks. Isn't this fun?
Now I know why.
Excited.
Because that's fireworks.
Get you in here.
I believe in miracles.
I'm trying to zoom it. Well, I was going to watch Ashley.
If I wanna see, how do you let's see.
Now, don't burn your hair in the process.
And also
You gonna sing?
You know, wait a minute. You need to slam on the floor.
I'm sorry. It was heavy.
Yeah. This is a good number 8 birthday.
Say happy.
I don't think they blow up.
Go. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Wait a
birthday
minute.
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Number 8 birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Now they say do not touch them after you blow them out.
I'll do it. Please don't let it light up again. I'll do it.
Here it goes.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Everything.
Easy day. You mean easy day at school?
It was
We didn't have to do any work. We just went to the Everglades. What's wrong with that?
Oh yeah, you had a field trip, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I love you. Who's ever gonna watch the tape? Bye-bye and say goodnight.
Good night.
I love Thanksgiving. It's the best day of the world. You'll think it's like a day that you never saw, you never had. It's the best day ever. You say ever. You say ever. Yeah.
Yay!
I just want some pumpkin pie, you know.
We just want.
Because I would have killed you, Grandma. You got me.
Oh.
Oh, it's a bug. It's a bug. I know what this is. Look at it.
Your favorite thing in the world.
Michael.
I haven't even got it. Okay, this is the stupid bug.
Ooh, cool.
Oh.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Be quiet or I won't tell you.
Say please. Say please.
Hangman, okay?
Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now what we got. My loneliness is killing me inside. Give me a sign. I must confess, I don't wanna hate you knowing. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is the guy can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his red light, trying to holler at me.
Wait a minute.
I'm trying to hit it. I'm trying to hit it.
That's all I know. I know this. I have to get ready.
All I know is background.
I felt like I love the dance.
Excuse me, Michael. Michael.
Maybe I'll try to draw thinking that that's